Hey everyone. My name's Carla Laulainen, and today we're going to pick a card to see what we get for a message. Be sure to taste your words before you spit them out. That's a good one to remember. When your past calls, don't answer. It has nothing new to say. Which item has a message for us today? Let's pick this cute little box. Connect with someone from a different generation or belief system or nationality. You might learn something new. You can be imperfect and beautiful at the same time. Tell someone you love about the strengths that you see in them. It's always nice to hear from somebody. Doing what you love is never a waste of time. And the last one today. Write down or blog or journal about one beautiful life moment every day. And in a year, you'll have 365 pages of beautiful things to remind you how amazing life can be. All right. Thanks for stopping by. Adios.